Hey, it's Peter from Piston Ported, and for this next video we are going to show you how to install a set of silent blocks. These are the SX/TV GP silent blocks, so the longer ones. You can put these on any Series 1 or Series 2 or Series 3 engine if you want. You just need to buy the correct frame cones and the correct engine bolt. So they add a nice additional dampening aspect to your ride, so there's a little bit less vibration. First thing that we need to do when we're doing that is we need to put these in the freezer overnight so they get nice and cold and shrunk. And once we do that, we need to start heating our case. You can use a flame. In this particular video, I am just using my hot plate because it's here and it's easy. I have that set up right now, and it's going ahead and heating up that one side. And now with the silent blocks, as far as placement is concerned, these are BGM ones, and these ones actually have a right and a left, and they have arrows on them that point up for that particular side. So, you know, when you're installing the one with the R on it, you just point the arrow straight up. Makes installation super easy. If you do not have ones that are sided or do not have arrows telling you how to do them, the easiest way to do it is just pick that bottom hole and point it straight down. When the engine, you know, imagining the engine is in the frame, it would point straight to the ground. So that would be 6 o'clock. For the installation of the silent block, we're going to use a couple different parts of our silent block removal installation tool. For this one, we're going to use this, which is the piece that goes against the case. And then this piece, which is the one that cups the silent block for the installation. And then obviously the bolt and the giant nut for the bottom. All right, as you can see here, we are starting with our left side. First thing I like to do is I put a little bit of grease on my silent block just to ease the installation a little bit. And it's the left side, so arrow points up on this one and hole points straight down. And let's get installing. And done. And now we just take it off. And as you can see, that's installed. Now that one's done, we just got to go ahead and get the right one installed, and then we can start building this engine.